Hi friends, here in this video we are going to see how to locate the instantaneous centers. For that, here is the mechanism. Now this is the given mechanism in which we can see there is link O to A which would be rotating, also called as the crank O to A. Then it is connected with AB and here there is link CD. And as we can see there are two sliders given. One of the sliders is sliding in an angular direction as we see here inside this fixed link. Then there is another slider which would be sliding vertically in the guides as we see here. Now the first step would be to name the number of links here. So I would be starting with the fixed link which is over here. So that will become link number 1 for us. Then this crank would be link second. Next, connecting rod AB, link 3, CD, link 4, then one of the sliders which is sliding in an angular direction, I am giving it as link 5, and this slider which would be sliding in the vertical direction would be given as link 6, and again this is a fixed link, so 1. Here also the guideways are fixed, so link number 1. Now as we see here there are 6 number of links. So first I'll calculate the number of instantaneous centers. I'll write down, since the number of instantaneous centers are given by the formula capital N is equal to small n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Here small n indicates number of links. As we see, this is a 6 link mechanism. After calculating this, the answer comes out to be 15. It means there are 15 instantaneous centers to be located for this mechanism. And what are those instantaneous centers? For that, I would be drawing the table. The table which contains all the instantaneous centers. Now for the number of ICRs, starting with link number 1, connected with all the forward links, that is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6. Similarly with 2, then 3, next 4 and 5. So here are the 15 instantaneous centers, and now I would be locating them onto the diagram. So where 1 and 2 are connected, there is one instantaneous center which is denoted by I12. Now this is called as the fixed ICR. After that, at 2 and 3, I'll get over here I23, which is called as the permanent ICR. Then 3 and 4 are connected at this point. So here I am getting I34, again a permanent ICR. Next 4 and 5 are connected over here. So I get here I45, a permanent ICR. Then 4 and 6 are connected over here. So we have I46 permanent ICR. Then after that, here there is a slider as we see, and that slider is going to slide in the vertical direction, and the slider is 6. It is sliding with respect to the fixed link 1. So its instantaneous center would be perpendicular to the plane of motion. It is reciprocating in a vertical direction, so vertical direction is the plane of motion. Perpendicular to it, that is, its ICR will lie on the horizontal line. So over here, I'll be getting I16. So I16 at infinity, it means whenever there is a slider perpendicular to its plane of motion, if it is reciprocating in a vertical plane, then the ICR is in the horizontal plane perpendicular to the plane of motion, and similarly if it is reciprocating in a horizontal direction, then the ICR would lie vertical, that is perpendicular to plane of motion. Next, after that, we can see here there is another slider, but it is sliding in an angular direction. So whenever there is a slider in the angular direction, remember that its ICR would be nothing but the center. So here we can see O1 is the center for this slider 5. It is reciprocating, or it is moving in an angular direction. It is just oscillating inside link 1. So its ICR would be I15, and that would be located exactly at the center. So this is one of the important points or highlights we should note here, that whenever there is a slider having a finite radius, in that case its center would become the instantaneous center. Otherwise, if it is sliding in a vertical plane, or we can see it is having an infinite radius, at that time we have to show it at infinity when it is sliding at an infinite radius. So these are the ICRs which I had located here. So I'll go back into the table and just go on marking the ICRs which we have got. So starting with I12, it has been done. Then it is 2-3 and 3-4. Then 4-5 and 4-6. Next, I16 and I15, 1-5 and 1-6. So we see that 7 ICRs have already been located, and these are the fixed and permanent ICRs which are located by inspection. Now whatever remains in the table, these are called as neither fixed nor permanent ICRs, and it should be located by the method which I am showing now. So we have to draw a circle of any given radius, any proportional radius I can say. Draw a circle. Then in the manner in which we have got the ICRs, I would be marking the links and joining them. So starting with 1, link number 1 connected to link 2. So it is I12 is the ICR which is indicated by this line. 2 is connected to 3. This 2 to 3 side represents I23. 3 is connected to 4. So 3-4 represents instantaneous center I34. Then 4 to 5, this side indicates I45. Next, here I am just marking 0.6, but I56 is not there with us, so this won't be connected, but instead of that I would be connecting 1-5 and 1-6. So 1-5 and 1-6 are to be connected. Then we have to find the remaining ICRs. I'll just write over here, this is I15, and I16. So in order to get the remaining ICRs, first remember, complete this side, that is fine, we have to find I56. So for I56 I am connecting 5 and 6, and also to get 5 6 we would be needing another ICR, and for that 4 6 is also there with us, so I am connecting this line also. This has to be connected. So now we can easily locate I56. Here this is I46. So I12, 2, 3, 3, 4. Then it is 4 5, 1 5, 1 6 and 4 6. Now we can easily see that 5 6 has been connected. This edge 5 6 is forming two triangles, like for example triangle 4 5 6 and triangle 1 6 5. So we have to see the intersection, that is 1 5 and 1 6. 1 5 is over here, we can see 1 6, it is this horizontal line, we can see this at infinity. So this will be projected parallelly up to O1, and that will give the intersection of 1 5 and 1 6. I16 at infinity. So this is one of the line. Then other line would be connecting 4 6 and 4 5, as we see here, the other triangle. So we have 4 6 over here, 4 5, already they are connected with the help of this link CD. So now when this line cuts the line passing through 1 5 and 1 6, that gives us the ICR, which is I56. So here I am getting I56. So it has been done. Then after 5 6 I'll start with 1 3. Now before 1 3 I would be going for 1 4, because when I would be connecting 1 and 3, we are getting a triangle on one side, but on the other side the triangle is not there. So it is better to find 1 4 first. So now this line which I have connected for 1 and 4, this would be indicating I14. So it is also formed by two triangles, that is 164 and 154. So 1 6 and 4 6. For that already there is a line which is passing through 4 6, and this is 1 6. So here is the horizontal line. Over this we are going to get I14, and the other set of line would be connecting 1 5 and 4 5. So 1 5 is here, 4 5, joining them with the help of a light line. Connecting them light, 1 5 and 4 5, and the other line was 4 6 and 1 6. Now where they meet, that gives me I14. So I14 has been located. Now after getting I14 we can go for I13, connecting 1 and 3. Now this is also forming two set of triangles, that is 1 2 3 and 1 4 3. So connecting 1 2 and 2 3, we have here 1 2 and 2 3. I am just projecting light line from them. So 1 2 and 2 3. Then the other set of line would be from 1 4 and 3 4. Here we have 1 4 and this is 3 4. So connecting them light and extending them so that it cuts or meets this line which is passing from 1, 2 and 2, 3. So now where they intersect gives me the instantaneous center I13. Then for 2 and 4, connecting points 2 and 4 over here. So there are two set of triangles, that is 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 4. So 1, 2 and 1, 4, connecting them. Here we have 1, 2, this is 1, 4 joining with the help of light line. Connecting 1, 2 and 1, 4 next. 2, 3 and 3, 4. So 2, 3 and 3, 4, they are already here on this connecting rod. Now their intersection point gives I24. Next for 2, 5, connecting 2 and 5. So the two set of triangles are 1, 2, 5 and 2, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 1, 5, passing a line through them. So this is the line which is passing through 1, 2 and 1, 5. Then the other set of line will be from 2, 4 and 4, 5. 2, 4 is over here on this connecting rod, and then this is 4, 5 joining them. So this intersection point, which is the intersection of lines passing through 1, 5, 1, 2 and 2, 4, 4, 5, gives me I25 over here. Next for 2, 6, joining 2 and 6. So it is meeting at the intersection of here two set of triangles 1, 2, 6 and 2, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 1, 6 is already there. I can show it over here that we have 1, 6 and this is 1, 2. So 1, 6 would be just projected horizontally passing through this fixed end. So this is the line connecting 1, 2 and 1, 6. Instantaneous centers I12 and I16. Then the other set of line will be from 5, 6 and 2, 5. So here we have 5, 6, this is 2, 5 joining with the help of light line. Now where this 5, 6 and 2, 5 is cutting this line passing through 1, 2 and 1, 6, at this location I am getting I26 over here. Then 3, 5 and 3, 6 are the two ICRs which are left. So 3, 5 will be connected, forming two set of triangles, that is 3, 4, 4, 5 and 2, 3, 2, 5. So 3, 4, 4, 5 and 2, 3, 2, 5 would be projected. So joining 2, 3 and 2, 5. Here there is 2, 3, 2, 5 joining with the help of light line, and this was 3, 4 and 4, 5 already on this connecting rod. So where it intersects this connecting rod, that gives me the instantaneous center. which is I35. Now only I36 is left, and for that connecting 3 and 6, forming two set of triangles, that is 236 and 356. We can take any other pair as well. So I am taking 236, that is 23 and 26 would be joined. This is 23 and here there is 26, connecting with the help of a light line. This line shows 2326, then 46 and 34. So here we have 46 and 34 on this connecting rod, so it will be projected light. So I would be projecting this line downward so that it intersecting the line which is connecting 26 and 23. 26 and 23 has been projected to cut 46 and 34. So 46 and 34, and here is the intersection point that gives me the final ICR, which is I36. So all the 15 ICRs have been located for the given mechanism, and this is the manner in which the problem should be solved. So that completes the question. At the end, if you all find my videos helpful, you all can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.